Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making apricot and ginger pork. Start by searing your choice of pork meat. We lightly season with salt and pepper. Add 4 tablespoons of apricot jam or marmalade to a warm skillet. 4 tablespoons of chicken stock concentrate. 1/4 cup of water. Stir until it thickens. Two tablespoons of grated ginger. One tablespoon of butter. Allow it to thicken on low heat. Now start adding your meat to your sauce. We hope you enjoyed this quick, easy, and delicious recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.